Hi everyone, welcome to our channel and good afternoon. I hope this lighting is good. How's everybody doing? For those of you who are new here, welcome. Um, I'm here today because I have a new subscription and I already opened it and I already opened the mailer. There was a pineapple that looked just like this one but smaller, and it was a delicious gummy. And the first thing I see in here, besides my receipt, is a sticker. I know you didn't see that too good. And this is a nail subscription, and it's called Maniology. And this is what the box looks like. And the subscription is there's different offers like um you don't have to actually subscribe. You can just buy products or buy a one-time kit. But when you do first buy, you always get the the starter kit, and I believe it's like I'll put it down in the description box. But I believe it was something like 20 something dollars. I don't remember right now. But I did get a special. I found it somewhere else on sale. So this one cost me just $14, and it looks like this. The box. It's a small box. Let me just open it. I have a special guest today that I'm going to introduce you guys to. And I'm going to put on my glasses because otherwise I can't read. And excuse my face, but I haven't been on here. I've had a hectic week. I was changing my car, and then my daughter gave birth on Friday, so I've been doing a lot of running around and haven't had time to film any videos. But when you open the box, it looks like this, and you get two metal plates. They say Maniology in the back, and then they have this paper to protect them during shipment, and you have to peel this paper off. I'm gonna try peeling one off. And I will do some looks and then I will show you guys. And this is what it looks like. It's different designs. And you get two of these. Dropped it. I'll pick it up in a few. You get a little pamphlet that tells you how to do it, how to do your nails. It's like this. You get a scraper. Scraper looks like that. Maybe if I take it out of the plastic, it'll look better. And this is so you could scrape off the excess paint, nail polish off of the plate. And you do get two nail polishes, and the first one I received is like lavender. It's like a purple color, and this is in the shade delirium. And then I received this one, and this is in the shade freedom ring. And I also got, let me see if I can take this out of here. Sorry about that. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to do this on my nails. This is the stamper. Oh, okay. I see now. Okay. And this part right here, you see, is like, oh, this is what smells like. Oh, it smells like a beauty salon, like a nail salon. This is like a rubbery. That's where I'm gonna be stamping my nails with. And then once I have the design on, then I stamp it on my nails like this. I guess. I don't know. I've never done it. And then this is just the cover, but I will be doing it, and I will be posting some. So that's what I received in my box. Great.As, tráemelo. And I'm gonna turn off my fan a minute. 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. I was turning my fan to the side, and I want to introduce you guys to my special guest. My special guest is my new grandson. I want you guys to see how beautiful, beautiful. He's smiling for you guys. Look at that. He gave you a big smile. This is how big he is. He weighed 8 pounds and 15 ounces, and he's 22 inches long. And my oldest daughter said he's perfect, and he's beautiful. He was born at 5:07 a.m. on April 5th, 2019, and his name is Jendal Elian Marcano. I wish it was Santiago, but it's not. Look how beautiful, guys. Isn't he just adorable? Oh, look at him. He stuck one finger out for you guys. Look at that. He's just so precious. And I wanted you guys to meet our new family member. And that was my video. I will be posting some pictures on my Instagram once I do my nails, which I'm going to try to do at least one now just to try it. And I won't do it here because I don't want the camera to turn off like it usually does. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys later. I'm coming back to do a get ready with me. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.